First of all, Deputy, rents have been too high for quite some time, long time. And why? Because there's a shortage of supply. Sorry, no, just
look,
you've had your chance now. I
answer.
think with respect you allow democracy to take place.
Manners,
okay.
And your leader will
Because the one thing I observed in the presentation by Deputy MacDonald was the absence of any solution, the absence of any idea, except ban rent hikes, cut, which will destroy supply. Any international organisation out there analysing the rental market or any property market have said it time and time again. Rent controls or the freezing of rents just reduces supply and kills the market for the long term and will keep prices at too high a level. And the Housing Commission recommended that we had to change the rental situation in terms of the RPs, as I said. They did recommend, again you're interrupting, and again you haven't either the manners or the cop on to listen to some rational arguments on this question. No, you, with the greatest respect, you went off to Davy stockbrokers, you went off to all that gang before the election, and we saw the incoherence of
Sorry,
your response.
Taoiseach,
But if I could
I'm
make
not
the
going
point.
to ask again. Respect the discourse of the House on both sides. Continue, Taoiseach.
Sorry, just again, recommendations for reform were from the Housing Commission, ESRI and the Housing Agency through the Chair. And the bottom line was this: what was in place could not sustain. And equally it is about supply. And we have, in terms of our proposals and in terms of what's happening, 36,000 additional houses last year. Supply ultimately will moderate rent increases and the level of it.
Deputy, your leader asked the question. Deputy O'Brien, you're not special. Deputy O'Brien, do you have special discourse that I'm unaware of? Would you please allow the answer your leader has asked the question?